once again, thanks to Tom Caddy and Auto One, got the new 4000A. This is a jump box and air compressor all built into one. So I was already using it, so battery's a little low, but can set at 36 psi. I'm at 34. Car's been sitting. And unlike other compressors I've used, this thing goes pretty fast. It does have USB-C charging, USB port. Also has a flashlight. Boom, 36 psi, and it stops. And like the jump box that they sent me before, it comes in a nice padded case, so I had it open. You've got the hose connector, you've got the battery cables to jump it, it's got the anti-drain back assembly in it. You also comes with a press the valve adapter, sports valve, and also some stuff to inflate mattresses. Type-C charging cable. And that's it. This will jump your car. Also has a flashlight. Gets off pretty good light. Does have emergency strobe if you need to put it out. But you gotta jump your car. Plug that in. But 2 products in one, thanks to Auto One. Check them out on Amazon.